Hey guys, it's Lucas, and in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to fix call failed on iPhone. Pretty simple steps, so we'll jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our phone app, and we're going to dial in star pound 31 pound, and we're going to dial that. If that doesn't work, then we will need to swipe up to our menus, and we're going to toggle off the cellular data, and we're going to turn that back on. And then we're also going to go to our settings, and we're going to go into our cellular settings, and we are going to tap network selection, and we're going to toggle off the automatic and toggle it back on. And if that doesn't work, we're going to go into our general settings, and we're going to hit transfer or reset iPhone, and we're going to reset our network settings. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.